How to obtain an LA Fitness free trial. LA Fitness offers a free 3-day guest pass for individuals interested in experiencing their facilities before committing to a membership. To obtain and utilize this pass, follow these steps. Step 1. Access the free pass form. Visit the LA Fitness free pass page. Step 2. Enter your information. Provide your first and last name, email address, phone number, and zip code. Ensure all information is accurate to receive your guest pass without issues. Step 3. Submit the form. After filling in your details, click on the Next button to submit your request. Step 4. Check your email. LAA. Fitness will send the guest pass to the email address you provided. If you don't receive it shortly, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Activate your pass. The pass must be activated within 30 days from the date it was emailed. Once activated at your chosen club, the pass is valid for 3 consecutive days. Step 6. Visit the club. Bring a current photo ID with your birth date when visiting the club. All guests must be at least 16 years old. Guests under 18 require a parent or legal guardian to sign a waiver of liability. Guests aged 13 to 16 must be accompanied by a parent or legal guardian during their visit. Additional considerations. Each individual is limited to 1 free pass every 6 months. Certain amenities, such as courts, leagues, personal training, and kids club babysitting, may incur extra charges. Amenities and classes can vary by club location. By following these steps, you can experience LA Fitness facilities and services to determine if they align with your fitness goals.